In this video lecture, we'll go ahead and look at functions in Python programming. Okay, so we've looked at so many things and now I am glad we are moving gradually. So, throughout this lecture, we've been printing out print this or print that. This is a function because it helps us to perform an action. We have, let's say, we can say print power. Power is a function, and you can say power of 2 and 3. And when you go ahead and run this, and this is 8, you see that? So power on its own is a function, and if you go ahead and remove this and send max, let's look at 7891. This is 7891 or anyone you call it. We're looking for the maximum number 10, 100, 101, and so on. If you go ahead and run this code, the maximum number is 101. And if you change this to mean, I'll run this code again, and the minimum is 10. So all these are functions in Python programming. Now, the essence of learning Python function is because you have to know all the functions available for you to use. If you don't know them, go ahead and remove this. I will show you how to do that. Remove this from here and go ahead and type dir and double underscore built-ins double underscore. So go ahead and run this and let's look at something important. So all these here are functions or built-in functions in Python. They are very important. You can see them. Can go ahead and keep checking on them. You see, there are too many of them. I can scroll this up, down, and so on. And these are many. So, the functions we've used so far, maximum, minimum, and power. Let's go ahead and check it out and make sure they are here. So, there are too many of them. And you consider so this is maximum. Consider the maximum, and if I move down again, you can see minimum here, and if you check again, you're going to see power right here. So this is for power. And you might ask me, what if I don't know the use of any of these functions? How can I be able to do that? Move this down here, and I'm going to show you something. Here, there is a function called help, and function help helps you to know what each of these functions does. So go ahead and copy this, and remove this from here, and replace this with a help function. And for instance, we treated par. Can go ahead and replace par function here. And let's go ahead and run this code and check this out. Okay, so this says this. Go ahead and read all these. Help on built-in function par in module. You can go ahead and read what this function does. Equivalent to x multiply. This is showing you and telling you what you need to know about this par. And if you are looking for the part of max, you don't know what it does, and you want to know about it, go ahead and put it inside the function help and run this code, and it will give you everything about Maximum. So you can go ahead and check out all the functions we have and how to use them. And anyone you don't know, use the function help to check more about it, and it's going to give you everything you need to know about the function that you want to use. So this is all about functions, and I'm going to leave you to go ahead and use the help function to get information on other functions you need in Python programming, because it's very important. So go ahead and check them out, and if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and answer section, so I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.